Hey yo, Okadachis! How you guys all doing today? I'm here to bring you a tutorial on how to mod Desktop Mate and bring your own model into the program. I've been seeing a lot of VTubers start to put their own models into this, but with no tutorial in sight, makes it a little bit difficult to go and do that. And so while I may have made a text-based tutorial, I know some people are more visual learners than reading learners, so this is what this video is for. And as you can see, I have my little desktop mate here on the screen right now. And if you have ever messed around in the early 2000s, like the things like, Clippy, or those little anime characters you could download off the internet and have walk around on your screen, that's basically what this is. Desktop Mate is a free program. It does have DLC if you want Hatsune Miku, but unless you really like Migu, you don't need it. But make sure you do install it. While that's installing, you're also going to need a couple other things, such as Unity version 2022.3.22. This one right here, you're going to want to install that because this is all what that project's going to be. We're relying on with the Unity assets we need. You're going to also need to download the VRM 1.0 import export with VRM 0.115.0. I don't know why other Unity versions don't like it. It's kind of finicky, but it's what you're going to need. You're going to download it. Then, once you've downloaded it, you're going to go and make yourself a Unity project. I already have one set up right now for tutorial, but what you're going to do is you're just going to click on New Project. You're going to click on 3D Built-in Render Pipeline. Name your project and hit click Create Project. It'll take a couple of minutes for itself to be made, but once you do, you're going to open up your project and you're going to be greeted with a blank canvas here. If the canvas will play nice. You know what? Fuck it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is what the canvas is going to look like here. It's going to be pretty blank. But what we're also going to do is we are going to download that VRM thing there. You're going to open up your downloads and we're just going to click on that file. It's going to open it up in Unity right here. Or at least in theory it should. In which you're going to see it say something like import Unity package. You're going to click import. Upon importing it, which it'll take a couple of seconds, so you will see it here going on, you're going to see a window pop up. You know, that's when the window was supposed to pop up, motherfucker. Anyways, window is going to pop up. And wow, this is taking way longer than I thought it would. Anyways, alright, you're going to see an error down here that says VRM Universal Render Pipeline. Ignore that error. Don't worry about that error, okay? Now then, now that you have that happening there, what you're going to then do is you're going to take your VRM file that you have of your 3D model, right? And like you can see right here, I have quite a few. I'm going to go and drag this version that you see here on screen. You're going to drag it into your project here. Upon dragging it into your project, you're going to then click on it. And you're going to see it pop up over here on this side as well. You're going to click that box to migrate it to VRM1, and you're going to hit apply. What this is going to do is convert your model from the 0.0 file format of VRM into the 1.0. Because for this mod to work with Desktop Mate, you need it to be in version 1. And there's a little bit of other benefits. And by the way, all of the links to all of the assets being used here will be provided in the description of the video below. Just not my model, because it's my personal model. Anyways, now that you see it is imported down here, you're going to also go to Materials, click Extract Materials and Textures. And then any kind of thing that's going to be your blend shapes, the things that make your mouth move, and your expressions. You know, the thing you kind of need to puppet your model. Once all of the materials are done, you're going to then do the same thing by clicking on the VRM thing over here. And then you're going to click Extract Meta and Expressions. Once all of that is extracted out, we are then going to do the next best thing. Drag it over here into the scene, and you'll see it pop up here with all of its lovely bones and everything set up. You're then going to click on VRM1. You're going to export it, VRM 1.0. And then you are going to see this box pop up. Fill in the name, version, author if you need to, yep. And then hit export. And then you're going to export it wherever you want. Now, I have my model exported here into where the desktop mate is, and that is going to be for something later. So now what we're going to do is, since I already have mine exported, next what we're going to do is we are going to go to this particular GitHub here, the custom avatar loader mod for desktop mate. You're going to install Melon Loader by clicking that link, and it'll download it right here. You're going to go through the process like you see here. It'll pop up. It's going to take a second for it to load up everything here. And then you're going to click on desktop mate. You might need to scroll down. Just click install. Mine says reinstall since it's already installed. And make sure it's on version 0.6.6. Then, once that's installed, make sure you run desktop mate once. You're going to see a command prompt window pop up. That command prompt window is a-okay because that's just loading the mod. Once everything is loaded, you are then going to close the app out, and then you're going to download the actual avatar load mod, which is right here. You're going to download the zip file. Once you have the zip file, you are going to take these two folders here, and you are going to go and drag them in to your desktop mate file location, which is most likely going to be underneath Steam in the common local files. If you need an easy way to find that without needing to go searching, what you can do is you can go to your library, click on the little gear icon here, get out of the way, click on manage, and you're going to hit browse local files. And then all you're going to do with those local files is you're just going to take those files from that zip folder and drag them into here. Then you're going to reload the program. Upon loading the program, what that's going to let you do, once it's all loaded, you're going to press F4, not Alt F4, not F5, F4, which is going to open up a window that lets you load your model. You're going to open up the model file you just exported out of Unity, like so. And then you're going to see it take a second. It's going to freeze, but then it's going to load up right there. Then your model is in here. And now every time you close out desktop mate and then open it back up, your model will always load in. And that is how you modify your desktop mate to have your own custom model there as a little companion that you can drag around and throw around. I hope this helps.